Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Scene Builder with IntelliJ. First, make sure your Java FX SDK is properly set up within your IntelliJ project. This foundational step is essential. Next, download and install Scene Builder, which is available from Gluon's official website. Once installed, find the exact path to the Scene Builder executable file on your system. This is a crucial step for the seamless integration process. Now let's configure IntelliJ IDEA. Go to File, then Settings or Preferences on a Mac. In the Settings window, find Languages and Frameworks, then select Java FX. Here, you will input the full path to the Scene Builder executable you located earlier. After entering the path, click Apply and then OK. It is a good practice to restart IntelliJ IDEA to ensure all changes are fully loaded. With the configuration complete, you can now work with FXML files. In your IntelliJ project, create a new FXML file, perhaps named Sample FXML. Once created, simply right-click on this FXML file in the Project Tool window. From the context menu, select Open in Scene Builder. This action will launch Scene Builder, allowing you to visually design your application's user interface with drag-and-drop components. Finally, let's connect your beautiful UI to your Java code. Create a corresponding controller class for your FXML file, for example, Sample Controller, Java. Inside this class, use the FXML annotation to inject UI elements from your FXML into your Java code. This allows you to add event handlers and logic. After setting up your controller, build and run your application to see your integrated user interface in action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.